Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Bitgert generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.14% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Or so they certainly thought. Brise essentially has a truly all-out market cap of $120,841,620 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,344,438 in a kind of enormous manner. This truly makes Bitgert kind of positioning at 187 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert explicitly be especially worth in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Is Bitgert a wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? Will Brise cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is genuinely huge? These sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal genuinely least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to fundamentally be $0, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Brise can arrive at a greatest value level of $0, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation May 2023. The cost for Bitgert in May 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, which basically is very critical. While the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Brise value estimate June 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for June 2023 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0, a really least cost of around $0, which especially is genuinely critical. Discussing the typical value, Brise can explicitly stretch around $0 June in a for the most part huge manner. Bitgert value figure July 2023. The Bitgert cost for July 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of $0, the kind of most extreme gauge cost especially is around $0, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The in every way that really matters. Normal cost for Brise basically is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach $0 July 2023. Further appearance how while the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0, or so they by and large thought. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. The Bitgert cost for August 2023 may arrive at least worth of $0, the sort of greatest determined cost explicitly as around $0 and in every practical sense. Huge way. The extremely normal cost for Brise certainly is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense reach $0 August 2023, which generally is very huge. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. The cost of Bitgert in a real sense is anticipated to fundamentally reach at least worth of $0 September 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Brise cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Bitgert cost truly is gauged to generally arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of $0, which certainly is very critical. The Brise cost could by and large arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the extremely normal expected cost around $0, demonstrating the way that the Brise cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. Bitgert cost truly is supposed to reach between $0 November 2023 while the typical cost of Brise for the November stays around $0 value estimate December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Bitgert explicitly is gauged to truly be at around a base worth of $0 a for the most part huge manner. The Bitgert value worth can basically arrive at in every practical sense. Limit of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 USD, showing how Brise value gauge June 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for June 2023 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0 and essentially least cost of around $0, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitgert past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 0.43% in its essentially current worth, which fundamentally is very huge. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap is likewise down, which explicitly is very huge. Bitgert certainly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which is very critical. The BRISE for the most part is down to nearly 16.78% in the very most recent 7 days and in every practical sense, large way. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past truly couple of days. The coin could essentially have serious areas of strength for genuinely, however. We don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource and exceptionally momentary in a really significant manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of BRISE in a real sense diminished by 37.674%, wiping out an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth, which sort of shows that Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the BRISE cost most certainly is supposed to truly cross a really normal value level of $0. The normal least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0 in unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a very decent by and large purchase, a potential open door for kind of speedy speculation, which is very huge. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will basically be Bitgert worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The BRISE cost truly is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0, by and large least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Does Bitgert sort of have a future in a very huge manner? As far as value, Bitgert in a real sense has an exceptional in every way that really matters, potential to especially arrive at new levels, showing how Bitgert value estimate July 2023. The Bitgert cost for July 2023 may in a real sense arrive at an essentially least worth of $0. The greatest gauge cost in every practical sense is around $0 in unpretentious way. It fundamentally is conjecture that BRISE will increment in esteem, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking, as indicated by unmistakable specialists and business investigators. Bitgert can basically stir things up around town the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Bitgert worth purchasing in 2023, which in every practical sense is very huge? Bitgert's worth really is supposed to fundamentally keep on growing, as lack will in general certainly support cost rise, exhibiting how by and large is Bitgert a genuinely wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, note, there most certainly is a gamble to any venture, which by and large is very critical. Just really put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the greatest examination in every practical sense conceivable in an especially large way.